Does Disney go to Alaska?
You bet your Alaska they do. Stay tuned, and this video will tell you all about Disney's Alaska cruises. Hi, I'm Danielle.
I'm Jessica. We're from Hello Horizon Travel. Today we're going to talk about Disney Cruise Line cruises to Alaska. Disney Cruise Line currently offers cruises to Alaska on the Disney Wonder. The Disney Wonder is the second ship of the fleet. It was originally built in 1999. I know that sounds really old. Don't let it scare you. It was refurbished as recently as 2019. Now, Disney Cruise Lines has some iconic characters on all of their different ships. The Disney Wonder is unique because it features Steamboat Willie Mickey, Donald Duck, Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and Ariel in the atrium.
I know that each ship in the Disney fleet is unique, so what's unique about the Wonder?
Well, the Disney Wonder is the only ship in the fleet that has Tiana's Place. Tiana's Place is a sit-down restaurant where you can sit and spend time with your family and enjoy some incredible food. So if you're a Princess and the Frog fan, you're in luck on this one. Another thing that is unique just to the Wonder is the Pixar Pals Party. That's a tongue twister. Try to say that 5 times fast. Pixar Pals Party, okay? And this is even more unique just to the Alaska itineraries. They don't get to experience this on any of the other ships or any of the other itineraries, just Alaska. One more thing that is really amazing that you get to experience and is so unique is that while you're on the Wonder in Alaska, Mickey and Minnie are there and they're dressed appropriately for Alaska. And this is the only time they wear these specific costumes. Definitely want to get those pictures.
So now that you know all about the Wonder and what's unique about the Wonder, let's talk about the itinerary for the Alaska cruise. On the Alaska cruise, you will visit cities like Ketchikan, Juneau, Skagway, for some itineraries even Icy Strait Point. And also, each cruise includes a glacier viewing experience. And the glacier that you view depends on the year. Each season it could change. Some of the ones in the past have been Dawes Glacier or Endicott Arms, but rest assured you will see a glacier and get up close and personal, or at least as up close and personal as you can in the ship to be able to see a glacier. Another thing to note is that all of the Disney Cruise Line Alaska itineraries start and leave from Vancouver. So you'll travel to Vancouver in British Columbia, Canada, and that is where your cruise will start and end.
All right, so we've learned which Disney ship goes to Alaska. That's the Wonder. We've learned where the Wonder goes once it gets to Alaska. Now we got to figure out, who is this cruise right for? Well, could be anybody. This trip would be great for a family with young kids. There are so many magical experiences to be had with your babies. This trip would be great for a big family, a multi-generational trip. Get everybody together. Go and have a great time together. This trip would also be great for a couple of adults that really love Disney. You don't have to have kids to go to Disney. If you do have kids and you love Disney, leave those kids at home.
That's it for our video today. We hope that we've piqued your interest in both Disney and Alaska, and most importantly, a Disney Alaska cruise. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions about Disney Cruise Line or about Alaska cruises in general. Watch another video while we're here, and thanks for watching.
Does Disney go to Alaska?
You bet your Alaska they do.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my God.